Óttar, 7 mínútur, það 70 kaloríur á hjólinu.
Music bed.
I'm in it just to rewrite history, cause I'm in the mood to label us the leaders of the new school. This ain't for the radio, can't find this on YouTube. This the type of killing that these critics ain't used to. Victorious, victorious, victorious. In this day and age, I got time for innovation, time to be creative, time too big to waste on my time on critics hating. Flattered by your opinions, to show you I'll just embrace it. Now watch a early sunrise up, no daylight savings, go nuts when I have to. Glaze bet my sound in this beats on the house that we dreaming. Watch me way back up in the gas, so my thoughts are distorted. Cause I recall guys were hating uncommonly, all of them became common denominators. Hold up.
Hér í toppþjálfun geiminu eru nokkrir handboltamenn sem spila í Olísdeildinni sem koma að æfa. Það eru leikmenn sem koma aðalega frá FH, svo Afturelding og Stjörnunni líka. Til að kíkja hvað þeir voru að gera á æfingu í vikunni.
I would say I'm in the running. It's been 7 years coming. I torrented that Fruity Loops and turned it into something. It was built from really nothing, like a building out the wind. Got a $20 mic, trust me, eBay is your friend. But really there's no one but my king could tell you where I've always been. And trust me, where I am at now was never bought up or pretend. Let's begin. I tell you how this whole thing happened. Talk my talk and walk the walk and follow through with action. Call me pretty boy, but now you know that I'm not acting. Was always in my own world, up until the class end. Back then, wasn't in the fractions. Ask me what I wanted to be, would never have told you rapping.
Funny, who knew what I wanted to do? I was no joke, I had something to prove. I'm in the running and making my moves. This is a game I'm not willing to lose. Funny, who knew what I wanted to do? I was no joke, I had something to prove. I'm in the running and making my moves. This is a game I'm not willing to lose.
I ain't not willing to lose, I'm killing the proof. Now I'm spilling the truth, I don't got time for this shit anymore. But somehow I'm still in the booth, feeling the groove, feeling these shoes. Addiction, it's so thrilling to do, but now it's all complicated. Wanna go back to when it was just chilling and cruise. No rules, only freestyling past that. I just take my time while everyone is on the fast track. Always bet the other way, that's money on the NASDAQ. And I don't need investors, cause I know I'll get my cash back. Fast stacks, I capitalize on where they down to.
Það líður þessu. Hvernig segir þið það? Kemur þið? Ekki svo lítið með fyrir. Ekki svo lítið með fyrir. Átta. Áttaður. Áttaður. Átta út. Visti. Koma. Tími. Takk það sem síðan tíðum. Nei, vant. Nei, hóður. Mann. Aki. Er þetta svo svolítið við? Stundum er mikilvægt að hafa líka gaman og smá samkeppni innan hús og til dæmis í einu semi-private topnum í síðustu viku þá settum við upp liðakeppni og barist var það á 3 mínútum að klára eins marga kaloríur. Sjáum hvernig sú keppni fór. Byrja! Hvað sagði ég? 95, 109. Hvað var það ekki sem það var ekki sem jafn. Ég skilja mig að fara á þú. Í vetur er toppþjálfun með 3 klúbba í styrktarþjálfun. FH, meistaraflokkurinn sem og annarflokkurinn. Við erum með Þrótt Vogum og Þrótt Reykjavík. Það sýnir ykkur núna frá því að Þrótt Reykjavík kíkti inn í gymmið og við tókum hérna alvöru æfingu.